everyone, this is Wali and welcome back to Mugda Arts and Studios. So in this session we are going to show you beautiful organza sarees with digital prints on it. So let me describe my saree first. Here we have beautiful shade of black and orange on borders. So it's a mixed color of black and grey. If you can see this, it's a half and half saree. So the upper part we have this grey shade, light shade of grey, and when it comes to down we have black in the bottom part of the saree, but 10-inch border with a background of orange. So this is how the saree is with multiple colors, floral print on complete saree body. Let's have a look at the mannequin pieces. Here comes the first piece on mannequin with darker shade of leaf green and cream color on borders. So we have those lines in the background of the saree with a beautiful floral print with mango booties and flowers. So also on borders we have this floral work. So the borders make saree look too grand. Let's see the second piece on mannequin. We have sky blue on complete saree with borders and body. So on this saree we have this beautiful floral print with autumn leaves and flowers. And when it comes to border, we have this golden zari shine on borders. Let's have a look at the third piece. So we have got checks on this, and complete saree is in different shades of pink, baby pink. So in the saree body we have lighter shade of baby pink, and on borders you can see this brighter shade of baby pink on borders. So the borders are a bit longer in length of 10-inch border. So here comes the final piece on mannequin with zari checks boxes in the background of parrot green color. So complete saree is in parrot green with multiple color floral print on it. Now let's see the rest of the collection in this video. So the sarees are of very reasonable price range. All the sarees shown in the session are of 2,999 only. So here comes the first piece, and complete saree is in two different shades of green. So in the upper part you can see lighter shade of pista green, and when it comes to down you can see leaf green on the down part of the saree with hot pink on borders. So on borderline, one side of the borderline you can see hot pink, and on other side we have lighter shade of baby pink on other side of the border. So when it comes to other side the borderline, we have this black colored line on the edges with pallu, and this is the blouse. Price for the saree is 2,999 only. So here comes a beautiful shade of blue with cream color on borders, with a very big floral print on complete saree, and also you can see some cherries on the saree along with the flowers. Here is the pallu, and on blouse you can see this tissue pattern work. Price for this is 2,999 only. Let's have a look at the next saree. So this is a beautiful shade of orange. So instead of orange you can call it as Kanakambaram color flower untundi kada. So a color lo icharu saree with zari checks on complete saree body. So this is similar to display fourth piece where we have parrot green, and here we have orange color with pallu here, and here comes the blouse. Price is 2,999 only. So here we have green and cream, bottle green with cream. So we have seen many colors with this pattern. in different shades of green and cream. Here comes the pallu with a contrast red colored blouse for the sari. So this is brick red colored blouse. Price is 2,999 only. So this is beautiful shade of blue. Sky blue is here. And on this complete sari you can see this floral printed roses with pink. So you can see onion pink on this rose flowers with zari on two sides of the border, and also you can see this zari checks lines, smaller zari checks lines with pallu, and this is the blouse. Price is 2,999 only. So another bottle green color. We have too many bottle greens in this session. So on this sari you can see different colors of red, different shades of red, and also there are different flowers on this sari with red and yellow. This is a pallu with a beautiful shade of grey on blouse. So complete blouse, and the background we have the zari tissue shine. Price is 2,999 only. So here we have peach with rama green on borders. The sari looks too pretty in live, and it's a brighter shade, and also you can see this digital print work on the sari. So we have bunch of flowers given on this with rama green on borders. Here comes the pallu, and this is the blouse. And price is 2,999 only. For orders, please do contact us on this WhatsApp number. So for the sarees which you have liked so far from the beginning of the video, take a screenshot of that saree and share us on this WhatsApp number. For online payment, we have Google Pay contacts seen here, noted here. Take a screenshot of this note and keep it handy. We do ship throughout the globe. So guys, hurry up and keep placing your orders. Let's see the next saree. So on this you can see a brighter shade of red and orange on sari border. So sari looks too pretty with this print all over the sari with pallu, and here comes the blouse. Price is 2,999 only. So previously we have seen this pattern with peach and green on borders, and here you can see sea green on sari body with orange on borders. Sari looks too pretty in live with pallu, and here is the blouse. Price is 2,999 only. So we have darker shade of green again with light shade of pastel grey on borders, and we have this floral work print all over the sari. Here comes the pallu, and this is the blouse. Price is 2,999 only. And we have a half and half sari here. So sari colors are too pretty with 3 different colors on complete sari. So let me start with the border because the border color is too shiny. So we have sky blue on borders with pink in the upper part of the sari. So we have hot pink on the upper part with yellow on lower part of the sari. with a digital print. Here is the pallu with a contrast blue colored blouse, and also we have this floral print on complete blouse. Price is 2,999 only. So here we have royal blue with beige on borders. So on complete saree we have different shades of yellow, red and orange with pallu, and this is the blouse. Price is 2,999 only. So on this we have trees. So saree looks too pretty in live. So this is lighter shade of grey with the background with lavender, pink, orange, red, green, too many florals, too many colored flowers on this complete saree. And also if we have a bigger tree here with pallu, and here comes the blouse. Price is 2,999 only. So we have green here. So this is similar to mannequin piece. Third piece on mannequin. So we have pink on third piece of mannequin. And here is a beautiful shade of green, pista green. So this is the second color with checks and floral print in different colors. Just have a look at the complete saree. We have got too many colors on the saree with royal blue, pink, yellow. Here is the pallu, and this is the blouse. So we have a self-colored blouse for the saree with a beautiful tissue, golden tissue shine on it. Price is 2,999 only. So this complete saree is in orange with beige on borders. So the borders are a bit bigger for this one. With zari checks in the background of the saree. Here comes the pallu. And this is the blouse. Price for this one is 2,999 only. So here is the order sheet. If at all you have liked any saree shown so far, please do take a screenshot of that saree and share us on this WhatsApp number shown here. For any inquiries regarding the color or material of the product, you can definitely reach out us on this number. Our team would love to assist you and help you in placing orders. We do ship throughout the globe, so guys, hurry up and keep placing orders. So sarees are too good in a very reasonable price, and the borders, especially the borders, are shining very brightly. So in live, these sarees looks too pretty, and I'm totally in love with these sarees. Here is a grey color with royal blue and darker shade of grey on complete saree. With pallu. And here is the blouse. Price is 2,999. So we have pista green on this one. So we have seen many colors with this pattern. So let me read out the floral colors on the saree. We have royal blue, red, yellow, green. So and saree looks too pretty with zari checks all over. And on borders we have floral meenakari work with pallu. And this is the blouse. So for the prices, Prices in this session are of single range 2,999. So all the sarees are of same price 2,999 in this session. So we have royal blue, yellow on the saree. So you can see multiple colors on the saree body with zari checks in the background. And this is the first saree with a combination of gold and silver zari shine on borders. With pallu in silver tissue. And here comes the blouse. So price for this saree is 2,999 only. So we have third color in this pattern. We have seen green, pink, and here comes the orange. So this is similar to mannequin third piece with checks lines given. And on borders you can see this diamond shaped work and also floral patterns with pallu. And this is the blouse. Price is 2,999 only. So in this pattern we have seen many colors with sea green and grey. So here we have baby pink with grey on this. With a digital floral print on complete saree and zari checks in the background with gold. Also the borders are a little bit bigger for the saree. So for most of the sarees in this session the borders are a bit longer. And here goes the blouse. Prices, so in this video all the sarees are of single range 2,999 only. So on this saree we can see two different shades of green. In the upper part we can see the lighter shade of pista green, and when it goes down, so the darker shade of green is seen. Also on borders we have two different colors, black and pink with pallu, and this is the blouse. Price is 2,999 only. So on this we have royal blue and cream. On complete saree we have mango booties, and on borders you can see the circular rings with blue and polka dots with zari with pallu. And this is the blouse. Price is 2,999 only. So let's see the order sheet. So for orders, please contact us on this WhatsApp number. So if at all you have liked any saree shown from the beginning of the video, take a screenshot of that saree and share us on this WhatsApp number. We do have Google Pay contacts available on this note. So take a screenshot of this note and keep it handy. Also we do ship throughout the globe. So guys, hurry up in placing orders. So we have parrot green on the saree. So parrot green on borders and leaf green on saree body, two different shades of green. So we can see leaves, very bigger leaves on the saree. So these are autumn falling leaves with pallu, and this is the blouse. Price is 2,999. here on this we can see two different shades of yellow. Bright shade of mango yellow is on borders and pale yellow is on sari body in the background, with a different print given on the complete sari with different colors. So we have multiple colors on the sari with pallu and a yellow colored blouse. Price is 2,999 only. So complete sari is in single color. So this is display fourth piece, similar to display fourth piece, with checks in the background and floral print with multiple colors. Pallu, and here comes the piece. Price is 2,999 only. So this is darker shade of leaf green with two differently colored borders. So one side you can see green color with red on border line, and other side we have peach with green on border lines. So it's a differently designed border. Just take a look at it. With pallu and this is the blouse. Prices are sarees shown in the video are of single price 2,999 only. Now let's see the last piece in this video. So it's a brighter shade. So this is brighter shade of magenta pink with grey on borders, and on complete sari we have multiple colored flowers with different shades of yellow, orange and red. Here comes the pallu. With gloves. Price is 2,999 only. So for the sarees shown in this session, all the price for all the sarees is of same 2,999. And for orders, here is the order sheet. If at all you have liked any saree shown from the beginning of the video, take a screenshot of that saree and share us on this WhatsApp number. Our team would love to assist you and help you in placing orders. We do have Google Pay contacts available on this note. So take a screenshot of this note and keep it handy. Also we do ship throughout the globe. So guys, hurry up and keep placing orders. That's it in this session. Bye bye.